Welcome children for online assignment and activities of class 10, that is subject social science. Children, as you all know that in the month of April through various videos we have completed 2 chapters for 10th class. Children, as you all know that 10th class you are going to appear for the board examination. Since we are having 4 books and we got lots of chapters, for that we have started social science class, and I have taken 2 chapters, one from history and one from civics. History, nationalism in India, and civics, that is power sharing. So according to that we are giving you the assignment and activities, and you have to prepare your assignment and activities in different ways. Let me tell you. Prepare the portfolio and attach your map pointing activities in your portfolio, which is given in this PDF. So now you'll be worried for the portfolio. Children, you have made last year the portfolio, 9th class. Same portfolio you can take, but you can exchange the papers, and whatever activities what we have given, you can, for example social science, you can just take last year's activity out and you can put 10th class activity inside, that is map, which is given in this PDF. You can just see and attach that to the portfolio. Next is the NCERT exercises. Children, I have collected some of the question answers, which is of 1 mark, 3 marks and 5 marks according to the board pattern, and I have made the PDF for you all. You can note down all that question and answers in 300-page register according to the chapters. 2 chapters exercise, that is NCERT exercise, should be written in the 300-page register, which is given in this PDF. Now in revision videos, when I was going on taking the videos for various chapter, so that time I have given even in revision some of the short answers. That answers also you can copy down in your register. Along with that, for the second chapter you have to make handmade map of Belgium and Sri Lanka. You have to make handmade map of Belgium and Sri Lanka, and that also you can draw in your register. And after making that map, write a note on both. You have to write a short note, see the textbook, and note down a short note on both of the country. One special note for you all: video on the school website will be available till June 10. So before June 10, children, go through the video through the website. If you are going through the website, you will be getting the attendance. And go and see all the videos and learn, note down and prepare for the classes. Now I have collected some of the NCERT question and answer of nationalism in India. So I'll be going slowly, you can just see that. There are some questions of 1 mark, 2 marks, 1 mark, 3 marks and 5 marks. Hope that you all can see this all NCERT question answers. You have to write one by one in your register. See children, when I am giving this all, it is not only to keep in your register, you have to learn this all question answer so that it may help you. One more thing I will tell you children, this time you are going to appear for the board examination and we will be having very less time. You have to cooperate with the teachers, and you might be knowing that we have 4 textbooks, that is civics, geography, economics and history. All this textbook, each textbook carries 20 marks. That means it is of 80 marks. The paper will be of 80 marks. So according to these 2 chapters, one mark question answer you can learn, 3 marks you can learn, and 5 marks. You can just see all the question answer point by point, and you have to write point by point answer. So you can see Simon Commission answer. These are the long answers. This is very important answers, and this chapter is also important chapter. Hope that you all can see properly, note down with good writing in your register, because your register also carries mark. So it should be neat and clean. I am going very slowly so that you may note down all the question answers. One more important thing, that 5 marks question answer, it should be up to the point, and in points you have to write 5 marks question answers. Now one more special instruction, again I am reminding you that all the videos are available till 10th of June, and you can see it through your school website. And important thing I am going to tell you, that is write notes in your school social science register, what I told you, and learn it. When you are writing, and you have to learn it. After reopening, you will be having a test of these 2 chapters. So remember and work hard. Don't waste your time. We are having very less time children, so we can learn very nicely. Now here I am going to, this already I told you that this map pointing, it carries 6 marks question. It carries only 6 marks. The full book, that is from history, there will be 2 maps. I am repeating that for the question paper, either it is for the half yearly or the final examination, the questions, there will be 2 questions in the paper. One is the history. From history 1 question will come, and 1 question from the geography. So this I have collected from geography and history and given you. So you can note down this thing, this all maps, and point wherever The important Congress session was held where you can just point out and do in the map and put it in the portfolio. You can see the next map also. Important national movement took place, where all the national movement took place. Champaran, then here you see Indigo movement, then Jallianwala Bagh incident, here Khedar district, Dandi March, then this all you can mark down in your map and put in the portfolio. Now, you might be confused why madam is giving the geography. See, some of the geography chapter is not for the exam, but there will be some activities like map. So I am giving this map for the holidays so that you may go through this map and you can learn 3 marks question answer. Note down, board examination only 2 maps will be coming and that carries only 6 marks. That means geography also 1 map if you are showing or you will get question, you will be getting 3 marks. So here also important dams of India, note down. You can just learn all the state also and where it is located. So major producer states, that is jute, cotton, rubber, sugarcane, tea and coffee. This also you can just note down. If you want, you can take separate map. For jute you can take separate map, cotton, or if you want you can do the same as you wish. And this also after doing you can put in the portfolio. Now, major rice growing area. We can just see what are the major. And one more thing, you have to know each state. First you have to mark all the state where it is and you have to show like this the rice growing area. Wheat growing area. Iron ore and mines are there. You can note down this where it is. Nuclear power station. Cotton textile industry. And these are some revision questions of civics, that is power sharing. I have collected some of the question, very short questions of 1 mark from the textbook. Children, you may learn these question answers for 1 mark and note down in your register. Very short, 1 marks question answer. Now this is Sri Lanka. List of all languages spoken in Sri Lanka. What is civil war? In which year Sinhala was made official language of Sri Lanka? That is 1956. So children, with this I am going to conclude, and whatever work I have given, try to complete that and learn and be safe. That's all with my videos. Thank you.